Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can create and manage labels for efficient task sorting, a skill that will make you a master of organization. First things first, let's create a label. Whether you're using a task management software or email client like Gmail, look for the option to create new label or add tag. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to name your label. Choose a name that clearly describes the category of tasks this label will represent. The reason we do this is to quickly identify and group similar tasks together for easier management. Now that you've created the label, it's time to apply it to your tasks. You can do this by selecting a task or an email, then choosing the appropriate label from your list. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our tasks, making it easier to track and manage them. Moving on, let's talk about managing your labels. If you find that a label is no longer relevant, most systems allow you to rename or delete it. To do this, find your list of labels, usually under Settings, and choose the Edit or Delete option next to the label you want to change. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're maintaining your label system so it continues to serve your current needs and priorities. Lastly, consider color coding your labels. This isn't necessary, but it can be a great visual aid. Assigning different colors to different labels can make it even easier to distinguish your tasks at a glance. A quick tip: use more vibrant colors for high priority or urgent tasks. And there you have it. By creating and managing labels effectively, you can sort your tasks more efficiently, saving you time and reducing stress. Remember, the key is to keep your labels clear, relevant, and organized. This wraps up our quick guide to creating and managing labels for task sorting. Thanks for joining us, and remember to stay organized.